How to choose the best Forex broker. With so many brokers to choose from, narrowing down the list can be tricky. Here are some key factors to consider when selecting the best Forex broker for your needs. Number 1. Regulation. Only open accounts with brokers that are regulated by major authorities like the NFA, SIC, FCA, or CISIC. This ensures the broker adheres to strict standards and keeps your funds secure. Number 2. Spreads, commissions. Compare the spreads and commissions brokers offer. Lower costs allow you to keep more profit from trades. Number 3. Trading conditions. Check margin requirements, leverage options, and any trading restrictions. Brokers have requirements around maintaining margin levels. Leverage options vary, so choose what suits your risk tolerance. Number 4. Trading platforms. The trading platforms should be user-friendly with robust tools for analysis and fast trade execution. Key features to look for include backtesting, automated trading, mobile apps, and a variety of order types. Number 5. Customer service. Good brokers invest heavily in customer service. Test response times by contacting support before opening an account. Look for knowledgeable representatives available 24/7 via chat, email, and phone. Number 6. Security. Account safety should be a top priority. Check brokers use segregated bank accounts, SSL encryption. Look for the padlock icon and HTTPS URLs, two-factor authentication, and other security measures to protect your funds and data. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.